So we are here at Beach in Ggaba. Beach in Ggaba. When you want to cruise, boat cruising, if you are using this one, you have to pay. When you are using this one, you pay 20,000 and you go up to the extreme end of the water. If you want to cruise with this one, you pay 5,000. These are mainly school-going children and students enjoying the beach. The water levels has increased. That place there, people used to sit in that place there, but the water level has risen. It's a beach in Ggaba. This is a part of Lake Victoria. We're enjoying the evening. It's Patience over there. Patience of Generation TV and Karo FM Barara, and a Shakara of Delta FM Soroti. You can actually come and enjoy the beach. So I think here the water level has risen. The water level has risen.
Yeah, the water used to stop on the side.
Which side?
Where there are those sticks. That's why they
there.
Are the other side. That's why you see those tents. People used to sleep there. But during the COVID rain, when it rained, it consumed all this place.
Okay.
And even there are sticks here in the water. Those are hand washing facilities. They're all taken up by the water.
So that shelter, that house, that building there is no longer usable. Patience. Otokamos, show your style. It's Amos Otoko, Dokolo FM. It's actually a very beautiful place. This is Beach Resort Hotel. The fish is 45,000. Our next destination is Ggaba landing site. We are going to see what happens there. A shakara A pig. Are you enjoying the place? Are you enjoying? Zero grazing. We are watching some part of Ggaba beach, this beach, from the other side of Keke beach. This is actually the landing side, the other side.
This is where we are heading.
Yes, it's the landing side. We are going to pass from here. Let's try and see. It is muddy. Let's try and see. The other side, you could see Ggaba beach from Keke beach. The other side. It has rained and it has rained. Pass from here. This is the place we are going to see.
I hate deep things is this.
This is the place we are going to see.
Which side?
Where do you see? You come and show where you can see. You where the orange?
So they're saying the fish here is ranging from 10,000 to 35. 35 or 40? 35. 10,000 to 35. Is that one for how much? Which one is 10? Saying which one is 10? 10,000.
This size. The other one is 15, 20, 25, 35.
What about now the fried one?
They are the same price. Here you only choose, then you fry it.
Okay. That is one. 10.
15 is
15. It's fair. It's good. They have shown us. So this one is how much?
This is 20. The last price is
20. No, we can
show you.
we can share.
Yeah.
We can share.
Yeah,
No, you want to eat one?
whole one.
That's we can. Let's pick one. Saying the last price is what? Say the last.
What's the last one?
You said 18. The last price.
The one for 10,000 is you are going to give us at how much?
That one is at 10, eh?
Yeah. It's too small. You can share. Well, no, but they are 20.
18. Let's take this one.
We pay 9.9, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
May you're going to make for me this.
So have you?
So we share this one. This one.
So the price is fair this side compared to the beach is 40,000.
One of 10 was this one.
So this one you are going to fry. How long it will it take? How long will it take for you to fry?
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Go to
that you are waiting for 20 minutes.
No.
You are going to fly at once.
Yeah.
So where can we get those ships?
I have.
You have.
There is chips for 5, for 7, like that, for 4. Then the salad is
What is the quantity of that of 5?
Soko sike.
First prepare the fish and see. So here is the landing side of Ggaba. Like this. Okay, this is Ggaba landing site. If you can see, here is
Now you can damn you are in the
land. You can see see this side is fine. Ggaba beach and Pepper beach on the other side. So today we are exploring Ggaba beach to see what is happening really in Ggaba beach. We went to Pepper beach. We have come to the landing site here, seeing how the price of fish business is going on very well. You can see the boats selling the firewood, which are being used here to fry fish. As you can see, that these boats are used for fishing, and most of the fishing is done at night, as you can see. Now they're waiting for the time now to enter and begin fishing. This is this motor cruising. You only pay 5,000 and you are taken to the area of Port Bell. You see that and you come back. You pay only 5,000 and do all that. Thank you very much for watching Lango News Channel. I'm Denish Ongora, and we will always continue to bring you new things in Uganda. Thank you so much.